Assalamualaikum. Welcome to my channel Learning with Zargull. In this video, I will tell you about 5 tips to make your children study. Some children are blessed with good study habits while others hate studying. Helping a child with study skill benefits the parent, the teacher and the struggling student. You can take a number of proactive steps to help your children develop better study habits. Remember, discipline is important. Child will do best work if they are motivated by the joy of learning. Number 1, set up a reward system. We are wired to believe that our work should be rewarded. So make studying rewarding. Make sure that clearly explain how the system works. Then stick to that system. There are 2 ways to bribe your kids. If they study, they can get something. For instance, if they study for an hour today, they can get a chocolate bar. If they don't study, they don't get something. Number 2, inspire your children with goals. Studying can feel pointless and abstract for children when they don't where it is leading. Make sure that they understand where studying can take them. Talk to them how study can improve their grades, which can empower them to do anything they wanted to do in future. Number 3, enroll your children for subject that they interested. If your daughter hates to doing her English homework but spend hours working for science experiment, consider enrolling her in a science camp or a STEM youth program. Number 4, teach your children to learn, not just study. Encourage them learn new things every day. Even if they are small things, all the studying in the world will be empty regard if your children does not understand what it means to learn. Show your child the joy of learning. Take your child to public places that stimulate their mind. Take them to art museum or natural history museum. Take them to a library or zoo. Take them to somewhere that they will talking about in a week. Find intellectual ways to your child to learn at home. Show them documentaries, give them educational games or give them books, ask them questions and teach them to question the world around them. Number 5, find fun ways to study. Use flashcards or sticky notes around your child's room. You can also encourage your kids to study with friends over email. Try different methods if your child wants to study in particular way. Make it fun, then do just that. If they don't want to study then just ideas that might catch their attention. If you like the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.